welcome to Let's Look at Something. Today, we're going to be showing you a multitude of household objects. This first object is my personal favorite. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Such emotion. The way the light shines on it. Let's take a look at it again, shall we? Just wonderful. Just wonderful. Our next object is a very interesting piece sent to us by one of our viewers. Let's take a look at it. I'm really sorry. I didn't expect to be overcome with so much emotion. It really reminds me of the Cold War. How there were two sides and they just... I'm sorry, I have to take a moment here. And our last object. Let's take a look at it, shall we? I applaud the human being that took the time to think of the work that had to go into that. The best bit is they didn't even try to make it into a piece of art. But we found it. We found the beauty in it. Well, that's all for Let's Look at Something. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.